This would be a short video that would explain or that we will solve the word problem that involves the angle of depression. So if you don't know what an angle of depression is, kindly review our previous video, because we have a video there that differentiates the angle of depression from the angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation is from the horizontal going up. The angle of depression is from the horizontal, you go down, you look down. So it's an angle that's below the horizontal line of sight. That's the angle of depression. All right, so the problem here states that from the top of a 50-meter cliff, a hiker observes a boat on the lake at an angle of depression of 45 degrees. How far? The question is, how far is the boat from the base of the cliff? So the first step always is to identify what is given, or the known values. So if we have to illustrate the problem here, I think I would always recommend that if you could illustrate the word problem, that would be much better, because you could always visualize your approach. So in here, we have here, that's the hiker over there on the top of the cliff. And of course, the height of the cliff is 50 meters. And there's that boat on the lake. And the angle of depression is this, 45. It is from the horizontal line of sight. And then you go down. You look down. So it is below the horizontal line of sight. It's the angle of depression. So when you look at the boat, so the question is this: how can you solve 4x, or how far is the boat from to the base of the cliff? So if you draw a triangle there, you can actually draw a right triangle, right? You can draw a right triangle there, right? So this one is the unknown x. So this is x. That's unknown. This side here is the distance, or the height, or the height of the cliff, right? 50. Where is the 45 degrees? The 45 degrees is an angle of depression, remember? So it is from the horizontal, then you go down. That's the 45 degrees here. So that is the 45-degree angle, all right? Now, if this angle is 45, do you think this angle of the triangle is also 45? Will this be 45 too? Will those two angles the same? If the angle of depression here is 45, will this angle be also 45 degrees? The answer is yes, because opposite adjacent angles are equal. So in this triangle then, it's a right triangle. We have two sides, 50, x, and an angle which is 45 degrees. Now let's check that 45 degrees, the side opposite it is 50. The side that's adjacent to 45, it's x. Therefore, since it is a right triangle, to solve for x, we can just use the SOHCAHTOA. Remember the coding? Should we use the SO, the KA, or the TOA? I think we should use the TOA. Why is that so? Because if we look at our right triangle here, we have 45 degrees. We have the opposite side is known, 50. The adjacent side, which is the A, is unknown. So we could set up a tangent of 45 degrees. The opposite is 50. Remember TOA, tangent, opposite over adjacent. Opposite 50, adjacent is x. And what is the unknown left? It's x. We can solve for x when we take the tangent of 45 is equal to 50 divided by x. And then we solve for x. However, tangent 45, if you use your calculator, the tangent of 45 is actually just equal to 1. So that means it would just be simply 50 divided by 1, or x is equal to 50. So x is 50. Therefore, the final answer is the boat is 50 meters from the base of the cliff. Right? It's an easy problem that involves the angle of depression. All right. We might have a problem as well that involves the angle of elevation. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back for the next video. See ya.